Hello my friends, today I will show you how I made a money detector using the old camera. I used Remaking S850i. So I used some old not good working camera for this reason to make some money detector. Attention, don't made this thing with good working normal camera, normal using camera. I just used not good working camera that can be thrown to the trash. And also but there is an important thing, as you know, for detecting used infrared and ultraviolet LEDs, and you know, the cameras has some filters, infrared and ultraviolet filter, and there is some glass filter was on this camera lens that I was take off using solder iron. So it can be dangerous, because when you use solder iron, some plastic or something else can get to your eyes. So be careful. I just demonstrate. Be careful. Don't remake your normal working camera. This video is only for a demonstration. And be careful, please. Be healthy. And this video only for demonstration, so don't do it. And for this reason, I just took off infrared filter on this camera lens using soldering iron. So I just took off this glass infrared filter. So afterwards, using this camera, I can demonstrate you how we see this special protection levels on some money, in this case in Russian rubles. So I will demonstrate you photos like slideshow here to see, you will see it how I made it, and then I demonstrate this self-made detector. So for self-made detector, for checking some money, money detection, I used self-made infrared LED, so I bought it in AliExpress. It's infrared LED, it's this, you can see voltage 1.8 volts, 350 milliampere, 850 nanometers infrared, and also use ultraviolet LEDs. So this is 1.8 volts, and this indicates in 3 volts, yeah, 20 milliamperes. So I used resistors, yeah. The resistor value I just calculate on some websites, yeah. If you type in Google, yeah, you can see, you can automatically calculate according to voltage and ampere, volt ampere. So you can according to voltage and current, you can automatically calculate the correct resistors you can use for this. So I used also the old USB cable, yeah, I will show, and also turn off button, yeah, for ultraviolet and infrared LEDs. This is ultraviolet, and also one important thing, ultraviolet is harmful for your eyes, so don't see on the LEDs, yeah, of ultraviolet, and it's harmful for your eyes, just for detection. And this is infrared. I just click, yeah, and you see some yes, it's infrared. You just see some red point, yeah, on it, yeah. So I just turn on my camera without infrared filter, yeah, and then I try to demonstrate you how to check it. So it's not so comfortable to demonstrate you, but I try. As you see, yeah, on some banknote we see some part of image is disappear. You see, it's 1,000 rubles, and you see some elements it is disappear. I just turn off flashlight on my camera, yeah, you will see it. So you see, oh, it's turned off. 1 second. Yeah, you see some parts of banknote is disappear. Yeah, you can see how look like your money, yeah, banknote, and what we see in infrared. Yeah, you see, and also we see the back side, yeah, but how look like the banknote, and how we see it on infrared. Yeah, and also other. Now it's turned off. I will turn off. You see, yeah, also the part of banknote elements is disappear. Yeah. You can see. Yeah. And also the back side, yeah, of this you can see, and how it looks like in infrared spectre. Yeah, and also turn on. Yeah, how it look like. Yeah, and infrared spectre, infrared view, infrared view. Yeah, and also you can see the back side. Yeah, and also in infrared, you see only metal foil. So, and what we see in ultraviolet here, you can see in ultraviolet you don't need also some special camera. Yeah, you can see it in some camera. Yeah, maybe it will be better in this. No, it's better to use directly this, or in ultraviolet spectra you can see it also with your eyes here, that some elements on it, you can see it, some elements are lightened, you see. So on this one, so, but the main method is to see, as you saw earlier, the infrared some elements on it. Yeah. So, and as I told you, don't use your good working camera. Yeah, I only remade not useless camera. Yeah, and be careful when you remade, because when you use solder iron, it can be dangerous. Yeah, and not all cameras are suitable, because the lens are made in using different technology, and not all of them can be remade. Yeah, and also I just noticed one interesting. Yeah, this camera, it writes metal body, but you can see the metal body is only some aluminium. Yeah, very thin aluminium, and this is plastic. Yes. So thanks for attention. Please subscribe to my channel. There will be some interesting videos here. So be healthy, and bye.